Walmart sending returns to your old address. In this video, I'll show you how to update your WFS return address fast. First, you're going to log into your Walmart seller account. Next, you're simply going to go into this little gear icon, click on that, and then go to the returns panel. Now for seller refilled returns, what you're going to do is just scroll down and you're going to say return center required. Add your return center with your new address, right? And just fill this all out. Make sure everything looks good to you. For Walmart fulfilled returns, you're going to click on this button. Then you're going to make sure that your Walmart return address is completely correct. And that's where Walmart's going to resend your returns. Just note that once an item's returned, sometimes it can take 30 to 60 days to get back to you. Walmart's a bit slow with returns. Just keep that in mind. But again, fill all this data out. So again, for Walmart fulfilled returns, you're just going to click edit return address and make sure this is updated. If you can't update it, contact Walmart seller support. And for seller fulfilled returns, you're simply going to scroll down and you're going to click add return center. And this is the proper return center for you. But that's it for today's video. Want me to create other videos regarding Walmart? If so, let me know in the comments what I should talk about next. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, managing returns, disputing returns, SEO, design, and of course, increasing your sales. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. We'll do it and we'll help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.